Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're putting Youcam Perfect up against Imagine AI. Both of them use AI, but they're made for totally different kinds of users. Which one should you choose for your finance brand or content creation? Let's start with ease of use. Youcam Perfect has one tap and is beginner friendly, while Imagine AI is designed for photographers, so it has more setup is needed actually. When we look at the AI tools, Youcam Perfect has retouch, beautify, and background removal, while Imagine AI has AI photo editing, batch editing, and style consistency AI tools. When we look at their price, Youcam Perfect has a free plan plus low-cost premium plan, while Imagine AI has premium subscription and is more expensive. When we look at this, what or who they are best for, Youcam Perfect is best for quick selfies, LinkedIn pictures, and branding photos, while Imagine AI is best for professional photographers, bulk finance photo shots. Lastly, speed. Actually, the one before the last. Youcam Perfect has instant edits, so it's very fast, while Imagine AI has fast batch processing, but has a learning curve. Lastly, output style. Youcam Perfect is polished, clean, social ready, gives you that kind of output instantly, while Imagine AI gives you a professional studio quality and consistent output. In conclusion, Youcam Perfect is the everyday editor. It is super quick, polished, and easy to use for social content and personal branding. Imagine AI, meanwhile, is built for professionals. It's all about batch editing and keeping hundreds of photos consistent, which is great if you're a photographer or handling finance events. So if you need fast, polished photos for social media or LinkedIn, go with Youcam Perfect. But if you're shooting big projects and want pro-level consistency, Imagine AI is a tool for you. Which one is your winner? Youcam Perfect or Imagine AI? Let us know in the comment section. Smash the like button and subscribe for more comparisons right here at Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.